Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have two very good hiring for today. The first hiring is from TCS, and this is TCS free hiring for Ninja and digital role. Friends, TCS is hiring through the TCS Codevita. Now the second hiring which we have from Amazon for two different role. Friends, if you have done graduation in any of the degree in any of the stream, and if we have the little knowledge of Microsoft Office product and application, and if you know to speak, write, and read in English, then this is a very good post which is available for you, ML Data Associate. So basically, here you have to find out, generate high quality descriptions that are contextually relevant, accurate, and current considering the intended purpose of the VLM system. Now, friends, so this job has become very easy nowadays because Chat GPT is there. You can use Chat GPT and easily you will be able to do the work what this Amazon is hiring for ML Data Associate. Like suppose, so you can open this Chat GPT website and you can ask difference between or description, or you can write description for, okay, so description for iPhone 15. Okay, so iPhone 15 phone. Okay, now so here if you type, then this Chat GPT itself will give you the complete details, right? Okay, so now this kind of jobs has become very easy, any graduate can apply. And the second one is subject matter expert. So here also this is for BSc, so basically engineering and science graduate, and everywhere fresher is eligible, you do not have to be a experienced candidate. Now friends, I will explain you in detail, like for TCS Codevita the eligibility criteria, for Amazon the eligibility criteria. Before that, friends, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the hiring update and preparation related videos. Friends, one more update before I proceed with TCS and Amazon registration. So Gigs for Gigs, you must be knowing. So Gigs for Gigs has come up with an amazing hiring challenge, that is Jobathon 23, powered by IU, International University of Applied Sciences. Friends, in total 9 companies are hiring to fulfill their hiring criteria, and this is October month mega jobathon, and which is on 10th of October, 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. And friends, this is 2.5 hours long jobathon hiring challenge for experienced candidate. Friends, you can see the list of the companies which are hiring, right? So companies for jobathon 23 powered by IU, International University of Applied Sciences, are as follows. So if you click over here, view all, then you will be able to see all the companies which are hiring and hiring for which role. Okay, now so Parkmate, Gigs for Gigs, Pulse, okay, and then LYBL and Brainstorm Force, all these companies you will be able to see. And there are some rules are there. The link is in description. Don't miss it, friends. Register right now itself. And here you can see the instructions for the contest. But before that, after registering for the contest, the candidate has to go through the job description given and register for one or more companies that you are interested in. Your profile will be considered for a company if you have registered for it. So the contest of 4 parts: 3 DSA coding problems, 5 MCQ on logical problems, and 5 MCQ on logical reasoning, 5 MCQ on quantitative aptitude. At least you will be getting idea what actually companies ask. Only individual participation is allowed. Interview shortlisting will be done by specific companies based on their own criteria. Language supported for DSA problems are C++, Java, Python, and then you can read the other instructions. But don't miss this opportunity. The link is in description. Now, friends, we will talk about TCS Codevita. So TCS will be hiring for 2 roles: Ninja and Digital. Digital package, 7 LPA, and Ninja package also, it is 3.36 LPA. Okay. Now, but eligibility criteria, so friends, with year of completion 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027, right? So basically 2023, 2022, these batches are not eligible. So 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027, friends, through this TCS Codevita, so this is, you can say, it's a kind of a hackathon. So using this Codevita platform, you will be easily able to get a job in TCS for Ninja and Digital role. Okay, so and also there is a chance to win prizes. So top 3 coders to win total prize money of USD $20,000, chances to explore exciting opportunity with one of the India's most powerful brands. Okay, so you can read this, and what you have to do is you have to do the registration. So how you will be able to do, so register yourself. Okay, so you have to if you are a new user, then click on, you can create or you can register. So you will be able to register from here. So you can select your place. So if you're from India, select India. Okay, then first name, last name, email address, username, and then you will be able to register yourself. Okay, now friends, coming back to Amazon, so where they generate high quality descriptions that are contextually relevant. Okay, so apply strong language skill, grammar knowledge, so everything can be easily done by chat GPT. Okay, now offering remedial instructions, so all those things can be done by chat GPT. So this is a super duper opportunity from Amazon. Okay, strong command to the English language, excellent writing skill with a focus or clarity, background. Okay, so anyway, so these things are not required. If you have done bachelor degree, you will be able to apply. So how can you apply? So you have to fill the details. So directly this link will be given in description. How did you find the job? So you can mention social media advertisement. A social media advertisement, you can put Facebook or anything. Full name you can put here. Okay, email ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, date of birth, gender, citizenship, disability, if you have any kind of, otherwise, okay, then address detail, higher education, and then if you have, okay, any kind of experience details, if you have other details, and then Aadhaar card and all. So this is Amazon website, so you do not have to worry. You can provide all the details. So you have to use your photo, right? So use camera to take your photo, and then see, they have even given the fraud alert. We do not charge any fees on employment, and the same applies to recruitment partners who are we work with. Okay, so and then you will be able to submit. And for subject matter expert also, you will be able to apply now from here. So basically all this particular this thing, right? So it goes through the same profile. Okay, so now here you can put your email address, and if you have an account, if you do not have an account, okay, then you have to put your password. So I don't know my password. Okay, now let us see. So definitely it is not correct here. Okay, so you have to create an account if it does not, if you do not have it, and then you will be able to apply for it. Okay, so apply for both the opportunity. All the links has been given in description, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, okay, so finally I am able to log in, and the application you are about to start is not available in English, British. To proceed, please indicate which of the following supported language you prefer to. So apply in English. Okay, and fine. Then okay, so basically the contact number and everything you have to fill. So this is for India. Okay, so let's go down. CDEFGHI. So India. Okay, and then put your phone number. Okay, and then you will be able to save and continue, right? So this is how you have to apply for both the profiles. So please go through, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. New to this channel, do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that we will be providing you all the required information to you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.